Hey, look. This is bizarre. This is bizarre.
Yo! What's up, my people? I'm from Jamaica. Greetings from Jamaica. So, guys, today I'll be featuring someone new. It's my first time hearing of them. So, guys, at this point, I'll be reacting to these people called Maximum, the Hormone. SHIMI features ATARASHII, GAKKO. Forgive me for my mispronunciation. If I do get the name correctly, then yay. If not, then I beg for forgiveness. Okay, so it's a music video special version, right? But I have a question. To anyone who is watching this video knows the legend Bob Marley, please let me know down in the comments how much of you all respect the legend Bob Marley, who's from this country where I'm in now, Jamaica.
Oh, this is bizarre. To be honest, for 2024, I never encountered a band like this energetic for 2024. And this year is almost finished. And this band, it's so unique. Dope, bro. Oh, this is magical. This is magical. This is way too energetic. An average person can't sit so calmly and do not feel energized while watching or afterwards watch. Ain't no freaking way, bro. Hey, these women are so brave. The bravery is on point. Oh! Hey, one thing for sure, her voice is so cute, and adorable. This is amazing to listen to. Whew! Whoa! Whoa! As a Jamaican, I'm taking a liking onto this music video. Trust me. Hey, look, this is bizarre. This is bizarre. Firstly, the calm voice, then the energetic voice comes after. This is bizarre. Like, bro, what the fuck do you mean, man? What do you mean? This is bizarre. Ain't no freaking way, man. Oh my god, but apart from the energized performance, the peacefulness comes within from these women. And they are doing an excellent and a refined job. Wow, this is a masterpiece. Whoa, this is impressive. This is what I love to see. People doing their very utmost best in everything they do. And this is a solid 10 for me, bro. A solid 10 for me.
山岳部女子大学生が山中で行方不明になってから今日で半年が経過しましたが、未だ
Amazing. Just amazing. If you guys enjoyed this reaction, don't forget to leave a like on the video, smash that subscribe button and share this to a friend telling him or her about this Jamaican. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.